Hey guys, it's Zavier here at Muscle Car Concepts. We got the Ghostbusters vehicle behind me. It's one of my personal projects, not based with the shop, but it's really cool having it here. Everybody loves it. As of right now, I'm trying to get it running. I have a new part for it at O'Reilly's. I just have to go pick it up. Plan on working on it later. I believe it's really close to running. It's not the most perfect thing. We're not restoring it to make it perfect. We're just getting it running. So it has minor quirks, like the mirror. The windows, the front windows don't work. So just minor quirks like that. Like this jiggles, this doesn't roll up or anything, it's broke. Same thing with the other side, it's the window regulators broke. The windshield wipers don't work. Just a bunch of minor stuff that's wrong with this. It's a 305. There, it is a ignition pickup coil that I believe is wrong with it. I don't know anything about it. Jared was the one that pointed it out to me. Let me try to pop this hood for you guys. There we are. So far, we've replaced the cap and rotor and the ignition module. We will be replacing the pickup coil soon. That's what Jared thinks it is. So hopefully we can get it up and running soon. But other than all the small stuff that needs to be done, like windows and everything, it's a pretty solid car. Very iconic to Lincoln. I posted it on my Snapchat story and I had 6 different people swipe up and say, "Oh, I've seen that car. That's crazy that you're working on it." Stuff like that, but hopefully in the near future it's up and running again. I'm doing this out of pocket because he helped my mom out a lot. So it's like a thank you. There's more about this car on my personal Instagram, that_red_3V. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys. There will be mini updates and more photo shoots probably of this car going on Muscle Car. But I love you and thank you for watching, guys.